LeVar Odom, Words of Wisdom from a Christian. I'm going with another video. This one is going to be about a family member that was telling me about her hard times that she was having. She was in college, and she was having troubles with her car, where her car was transmission was going out. There was a lot of stuff going on with it, and she was just upset. She just needed transportation, and so she made in her mind that she was going to go and buy a new car. And so she was saying, I'm going to just, buy a new car, and I will, pay for it and this and that. And so as she was talking, I just gave her the wisdom that God gave me to tell her, and I just told her, I say, sit down and take a sheet of paper and write down everything that you owe and all your bills, and then include a payment for a new car. And then I told her to do to write that column down with all the information of everything that she owed, and how much a new car would cost her, and what a monthly payment would be. And then in another column write down the same bills and things, but include how much it would cost her per month if she fixed her car, and put those totals together, and then she would see which one would be the best option for her. Because at the time she wasn't thinking clear, and she wasn't seeing that a new car with a monthly payment was going to put her in a lot more bind than just a payment of one time of fixing the car and using that transportation and not having a monthly bill. So it was the wisdom that God gave me to explain to her to sit down, write that thing, to look at the numbers. It allowed her to go out and fix the car and see that even though the amount of the transmission was pretty healthy, she was able to not have that monthly bill every month with a new car, and at least until she get out of college. So that helped her out, and I think that she's happy that she made that decision, and she went with that route. So, and that was wisdom from God, to be able to help her to make a decision that was one that will help her in the long run. All right, well, that's today's topic. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, 100 riddles for Christians are on Amazon.com, and I want you to go out and support them. Thanks. Have a great day.